Hi, Mike Finesca here from Epson. We're at the Exertis Almo E4 experience here in Dallas. We're super excited to get back here. Today here at the show, we're highlighting our Microsoft Teams Room experience, where we could show some a full solution here, showcased. We have a 21:9 aspect ratio screen here that we got from Daylight. They custom made it for us. We have our eBPU 2010B. That is the world's smallest and lightest 10,000 lumen projector. And it is on a Heckler stand here with a Jabra PanaCast 50 camera and soundbar. Just wanted to highlight the 21:9 aspect ratio, which is a big buzz right now in the industry, and showcase it at these shows. Really excited to be here again. To see more about Epson projectors, you can contact our website at www.epson.com/projectors.